It looks like something special is brewing over in China. CFMoto claims that their latest creation, the V4 SR-RR, has just clocked a staggering top speed of 315.82 kilometers per hour, or roughly 196 miles per hour. This feat was officially achieved on June 15 at the China Motorcycle Top Speed Record Challenge. To ensure everything was completely legitimate, the record was verified and certified on site. This milestone marks a new historic high for Chinese-made internal combustion motorcycles. Interestingly, that kind of performance isn't too far off from what we see at the pinnacle of two-wheel racing. For context, the MotoGP top speed record was shattered just last month at Mugello when Aprilia Racing's Jorge Martin hit an incredible 368.6 kilometers per hour. This new record from the Chinese manufacturer puts them just about 52 kilometers per hour shy of a full-blown MotoGP prototype. Based on GPS-verified data from CFMoto, these numbers place the bike squarely in the ring with heavyweight superbikes like the Panigale V4 and RS V4 factory. At the heart of this machine is a 997cc V4 engine pushing out roughly 210 horsepower. That output is highly competitive when you consider the Panigale V4 makes 213 horsepower and the RS V4 delivers 216 horsepower, though both European rivals rely on larger 1100cc displacements to get there. By knocking on the door of 316 kilometers per hour, the V4 SR stands shoulder to shoulder with the established Japanese and European superbikes. To complement that raw power, CFMoto has tapped top-tier global component brands featuring Brembo brakes and an Akrapovic exhaust system, all while targeting a wet weight of under 200 kilograms. To put 316 kilometers per hour into perspective, you're covering 87.7 meters every single second. Imagine if a bike could maintain that exact pace for an entire lap around Silverstone. It would clear the 5.8 kilometer circuit in just 67 seconds. Of course, keeping it pinned through every corner is physically impossible, but it gives you a solid idea of just how ridiculously fast this machine really is. The production version is expected to debut at ICMA 2026 in Milan, with a market launch slated for 2027. A future entry into the World Superbike Championship also seems like a highly realistic target once CFMoto officially rolls the V4 SR-RR off the assembly line. Looking at the spec sheet and this fresh speed record, do you think the established Japanese and European giants should be genuinely worried? Let us know your thoughts in the comments below, and we'll see you in the next video.